Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Solana network on MetaMask. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar, you simply need to type solflare.com MetaMask. Once done, you will be landed on Solflare where you just have to scroll down and on the home page, you are going to see the option of Get Started. If you don't find the option of Get Started, then at the top, you have the option of MetaMask Snap. Just click on it. Then you can easily find the option of Get Started. Then you simply need to click on Get Started and then you will be landed on the next page where you are going to see the prompt which says that you can enter Solana with MetaMask Snap. So you are about to install the Solana Snap which allows you to manage Solana tokens, NFTs and connect to Solana apps. So you will have to press continue and then you will have to press continue and then you will be landed on this page where you will have to click on Connect MetaMask. After that, the MetaMask pop-up will open in front of you which will ask you to provide your password. So after providing your password, you will have to click on unlock and after waiting for some time, it will ask you to approve. So you just have to scroll down and then click on accept. Then click on connect. After that, it will ask you to install the Solana wallet. So you will have to click on install and then you just have to check it and then confirm. Now, after waiting for some time, you will notice that you have successfully installed Solana wallet. So you will have to press OK. And on this page, you will have to press continue and then click on enter Solana. This way, you will be able to easily add Solana network to MetaMask. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.